Andy's little shed shop. Today I thought I'd well, share with you something I've just bought, and I've never bought from there before. Yandles. Yes, it's a place online. It's actually a place, a shop, and a website. Where are they? They are in, I have no idea, Cornwall-y area, I think, but it's not. It's definitely not. Hold on, where the hell are you from? Matlock-y area. No idea where that is, but it's from Matlock. Anyway, thought I'd share with you something I just spent recently on. It's not light. Nice little box. See, I haven't even opened this, so I don't even know if my parcel is all there. This could be interesting. Was late, think. It was late. Yes, it was. So I really don't know if it's all there. I know what it should be. Yeah. Ooh. There's my Yandles picking list for me. Okie dokie. Ooh, I'm looking forward to seeing what that's like. So it should be in here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. What's this? Oh, look at that. Yandles Autumn Craft Market on the 7th of September 2024. Free event, free parking. Oh, that's fantastic. Martock. I thought it was Matlock. Martock. Not Matlock, at Martock. TA. I think that's near Taunton. TA12. Jesus, I can't read that. TA12 6JU. Interesting. And they've got a summer craft fair on Saturday the 13th of July, 10 AM to 4 PM. 70 plus craft stalls, live demonstrations, special offers, free event, free parking. Oh, there you go. Much easier to read there. Martock, TA12 6JU. Brilliant. And they do these as well. The Record Power Roadshow and Sale. 12th to 13th of July, 6th to 7th September. Awesome. Oh, I'd love to go to Yandles. Yes, I would. Anyway, what I've bought is for some upcoming projects. Oh, that's so cool. No, it's not bubble wrap. I haven't bought bubble wrap. Bought bubble wrap before, though. Oh, what a beast. Let's see what we got here. We have some, black American walnut. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to be going on the lathe. So I thought, wow, that is so waxy. Let's get some blanks. What else have we got here? And that is, what size is that? I think that's the 5 by 2. What have we got here? This is, oh yes it is, isn't it? That's beautiful. Lebanon cedar. My God, I wish you could smell this. It smells fantastic. 2 lots of them. Wow, this is a lot heavier. That cedar is very, very light. And I bought 3 lots of these. And this is just, I'd say just, plain old boring acacia. But 3 lots of 4x2s. And that's purely because I'm going to, hopefully it'll be a stack sort of like that. Yeah. And hopefully I'll be putting some, I don't know how to do it yet. Hopefully I'm going to put some brass or copper in between each layer with any luck. Amazing. Oh my God, that smells amazing. Cedar's great. Cedar keeps bugs away. What is this? Absolutely unbloody readable. I have no idea what the hell that is. What's this? Ah, there is one missing. Son of a diddly. 6x2 acacia or 6x2 lime wood. From the weight of it, I would say that's acacia, which goes with them. And I have this beast. I've been looking forward to this. Oh, a 5x3 big chunk of purple heart. Purple heart's not native to the UK. That is beautiful. So I'm looking forward to cracking on the lathe at some point soon. What I'm not looking forward to is getting in touch with Yandles and going, well, that's my box empty. I'm missing one. I think I'm missing a big 6x2 lime wood. Dang it. I really had high hopes. I've bought from Yandles before. Yeah. And I've actually got an unboxing to do at some point soon, which is over there, which you can't see. I'll show you a little quick preview. Ooh. No problems with that delivery. I can't believe I'm missing a piece of wood. They're not going to be too happy with this. I'm not too happy with this. Bugger. But it's okay. Other than that, I've got a nice little stack that I am looking forward to playing with. Now I've just got to get in touch with them and say, excuse me, you've missed one. Can I have it, please? Bugger. Well, there you go. I thought I'd introduce you to the qualities of Yandles. Unfortunately, well, that didn't turn out too well. But I tell you what, I will get in touch with them. And I only got that the other day, so I will get in touch with them and go, excuse me, where is my other piece of wood that I paid for and you didn't send? And I'll let you know how that turns out. I'll insert that here, maybe. Or at the end. I got in touch with them, and 1 week later, ta-da! Came in the post this morning. They were really good. I was quite surprised actually. Their customer service was amazing. Very apologetic. 1 week invoice, but that's really good customer service. And of course, it comes with another one of these. Hey, Mrs. S. I'd like to go there.
Yeah, I get that.
Yes, she does. Look out, Yandles. We're going to come down at some point. I'm going to have to make sure I've got plenty of money on me because, well, I get plenty of wood. They have a couple of sawmills. I do believe they make coffins there as well, which is, oh my God, amazing. Brilliant. So I've now got my full order. Yes. It might have taken an extra week, but doesn't matter. It didn't cost me any extra in packaging or postage. It was their fault. They admitted it straight away. Total accident. Totally understandable. It happens. I'm looking forward to doing more purchasing from them. Just didn't look too happy. And of course we've got the Record Power whetstone that Mrs. Shedshop bought me for Christmas. That I've still got to open. I know it's terrible. Normally I would open everything straight away. But I thought I'm gonna open it with you. Why not? I've never had one before. Could be good fun. I don't know where on earth I'm gonna put it.
Some space.
Yes, I do need to make some space. Getting told off, see. But anyway, thank you, Yandles. I say thank you. Thank you for sending it out. Thank you for sending me the replacement. Not replacement, the extra one that you missed. But thank you anyway. Thank you for the customer service. Quite impressed. Quite impressed. Looking forward to doing some turning later on this year. Yeah, and I hope you stay interested or keep watching and hit that like button, subscribe and click for notifications, and then you'll get every video when it comes out as soon as it does. I'm going to put these away until I start turning them. Keep watching and we'll see you again soon.